Welcome to Homework Lib.
All right, if we have a right triangle, ABC, where angle C is the right angle, then let me call this A and B. But you could have that the other way anyways, because what you'll do to label side B 6 inches would be opposite angle B on the other side of angle B, and side C is on the other side of angle C, and that would be 15. So if we're going to solve the triangle completely, then we need to first find side A. We use the Pythagorean theorems to do this. A squared plus 6 squared would be equal to the hypotenuse 15 squared. So A would be equal to the square root of 15 squared minus 6 squared. You'll subtract 6 squared and then square root. So the square root of 15 squared subtract 6 squared to angles to the nearest degree, sides to the nearest tenth. That would be 13.7. Angle A, let's, from angle A, use the adjacent and the hypotenuse. So if we're using SOHCAHTOA, which you should have learned about at this point, adjacent and hypotenuse would be cosine. And so we'll say the cosine of angle A is equal to 6 over 15, and so the measure of angle A would be the inverse cosine of 6 over 15. Back to a calculator, make sure your calculator is in degree mode, and it's the inverse cosine of 6 over 15. Nearest degree would be 66 degrees. In angle B, we could just subtract from 180 from the other two angles, or angles A and B have to be complementary. They have to add the 90 if we're in a right triangle. And so that would be 90 minus 66, which is 24.